You may have learned that young children with autism or signs of autism need a child-led approach on the floor, natural environment teaching. But today we're going to talk about the 4-step turn autism around approach and how table time can really be something to turn things around. Hi, I'm Dr. Mary Barbera, autism mom, behavior analyst, and best-selling author. Each week, I provide you with some of my ideas about turning autism or signs of autism around. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do that now. So today, I'm sharing a short excerpt from podcast 228 with Lee Jones Sherman, who is a behavior analyst and a retired special education teacher who really started turning things around in her practice, both training parents, working with young children, as well as supervising and training new BCBAs. She started turning things around when she found my toddler online course and then moved on to the verbal behavior bundle and now is in our Train the Trainer program. So Kyle gives a lot of insights. And one of those insights is the importance of table time and systematic instruction for young children with autism or signs of autism. Let's listen. What would you say to people who are like early learners? Young kids need floor time. They need follow the child's lead. What would you say?
Well, I have done both, and I'm going to say my experience. It's very hard to continually chase a child around the room to get them, like, to label something, for example, like balloon, or like, oh, look, you're out the window. Look, there's a tree. Oh, there's a car. But when you're planned, I found that you can do the same exact stuff that the idea of like playtime on the floor is, you can do at the table, like following the proximal point, like look, saying their name and look, joint attention activities. It could all happen at the table. And for me, just as a teacher, it made so much sense to me because I have worked with kindergartners and I was like, didn't they learn how to sit at a table, or like at least even be like over by the table, or be interested in like all the fun things that are on the table? And so I just found that to be a world of difference. And honestly, in the schools, at least the schools I've been in, you are expected to be over in your area and be able to kind of maintain and practice like it's the foundation of learning.
I hope you enjoyed that short excerpt from podcast 228. If you did, check the description below, listen to the whole podcast. And for more information about how you can start turning things around, why don't you sign up for our brand new digital assessment, marybarbera.com/free assessment. Check the link for all the details. In this 10-minute assessment, you'll fill it out. You'll get an individualized thank you page and an individualized PDF to find your starting point. Or if you have an older child, you can find where to restart and where to look to increase language, decrease problem behaviors, and improve self-care. So check out that link and I'll see you right here next time.